field of research is experimental cardiology. What we do here in this lab is we investigate cells and tissues of animals and also of humans for the implication of genes in heart failure. And these genes can be novel genes, of course, that we want to investigate. One of the goals is to predict who is susceptible. There are known risk factors like obesity and diabetes and hypertension. So what we want to do is know who of those at risk will actually develop heart failure. Since 2001, more or less, we know of the development of the existence of novel genes. And these genes are my favorite genes. They do not code for proteins, as we've always known the traditional genes. And the proteins are the building blocks of our body. But these novel genes, they are regulatory genes. So they actually make sure that the protein coding genes do what they are supposed to do. And that the proteins in our body are at the right place at the right time. And well, you can maybe already imagine that these genes are actually very interesting as novel therapeutic targets. Heart failure itself has intrigued me for a long time. My father has heart failure, which has developed only recently. And that made me realize that it's actually quite surprising that in the last 20 years we have done so many efforts to find new cures, and we haven't found any. And that is hard to explain. So it amazes me, and we have all these new developments. There are major breakthroughs, but not in the field of heart failure, at least not in the molecular field of heart failure. So we need new molecular therapies, and I want to be able to contribute to that. I would love to contribute to that. I like to work with many people. I like the knowledge that I gain, that I'm given by my PhD students. So what do I contribute to the MIA? Lots of enthusiasm. It feels like a gift to be able to work together for 5 years on something that we love. We can choose our own topics, and yeah, we have many ideas, and we even get a small budget. So I think we can learn a lot from each other, and I'm looking forward to it.